Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays! I hope you have a nice holidays. This is how much I know from this song. I'm trying to cheer you up. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the break so far. We have also another couple of days to enjoy ourselves with the holidays, and then we have a new year. Hopefully, all of you have a fantastic year, a prosperous, a happy, and all of your things were sorted out with the new year. This year wasn't really great, but we're looking forward to the new year. Now, this is a quick video about a strategy, a mini strategy about how to increase your possibilities to make your pin go viral on Pinterest. First of all, if you want to promote your pin on Pinterest, you need to make sure that you have placed your tags conversions into your website or your blog. It's very easy to do it. If you need any help with that, you can leave your comments below or send me an email. And the thing is, it's very important for you to do that, because if you don't do that, you don't know your conversions, and you will not be able to optimize your advertising for success. So it's very important for you to check who are your audience, how to change your traffic, and how to maximize your sales by using promoted pins. Now, it's better if you notice a present on Pinterest. Everybody's away on holidays, with they bought the boat, now with the new year. That's why when we do campaigns, it's better if we promote a month or two before Christmas period. Now you will notice, even if you advertise on Pinterest, I know for some of my clients, of me, the traffic has massive views has fallen, because everybody knows on holidays they enjoy themselves, they will go out. Then after the 10th of January, everybody's going to go up, and traffic will go up. People, they will start searching and looking on Pinterest again, because some of people they wouldn't buy on Christmas. Certainly, on Boxing Day they will probably go to a shop rather than online. But either way, is if you notice, is very is the traffic has been actually decreased at present. So it's better if you start scheduling all your pins after the 10th of January or the 14th of January. And the best thing to do that is starting, designing pins. I'm not quite sure if you are, you don't have to be very good in design. I mean, you can go on Canva and they have ready-made templates. However, don't stress about that. You can outsource them on various sites. They do it for $1, for instance. Sometimes I do it myself, and most of the time, so if I don't have the time, I can outsource them, you know what I mean? And you should not stress about that. And the other thing, if you notice on Canva, is that if you design a pin like that, for instance, then you can use it again and again, because you save the image and you can just change the picture or the color or anything you want. Just create, like, a bit creative, and it's not really very difficult. If you see this one, for instance, the other thing I wanted to say is, when you start creating your pins, what I suggest is better if you start first, remembering that a very good keywords is important, and also that now Pinterest is picking up the keywords on the image, so you need to be aware what you put on your image. Make sure you put the right keywords on your image. And what you can do is spend some money on a Pinterest tool. I mean, subscribe to my channel. I will have another training video about how to get free Pinterest keyword tools. but I keep it for a surprise, so you can subscribe, then later on you find out. And the other thing is, accept the pin description and the title. Now we have Tailwind. Even if you haven't put your titles or your keywords to the title, you can do it straight away to the old pins, I mean. So start scheduling your pins to your main boards. Like, let's say, for example, you have 5 boards or 6 boards. Make sure you schedule your pins to every of those boards, of course, to be relevant. I'm not talking about if you have a board for food recipes or wealthy products or aloe vera products. Just make sure your pins are Pinterest relevant boards. Then schedule them to the group board, and then schedule them obviously to your tribes through Tailwind. And when it comes to design, also something you need to remember, try to use bright colors, or if you go and outsource them, make sure you explain to this person that you know to use bright colors. Maybe put your logo on if you want, and you can reuse them. So what I suggest is to use 950 by 1250 pixels of the design. That's the one I use, and I think it's quite successful. Some people use bigger than that, but at the moment that's the one I use, and it's really working for me. And design them on Canva. And the other thing is, remember, when you schedule pins, and that is also for the new year, you can follow this strategy, is make sure that you choose in particular days, or make sure when you're using the internet, I will show you what I mean, like scheduling one pin, the same pin, for instance, at one day, then schedule the same pin to a different board another day. So you can do that by using the interval system on Tailwind. I can show you what I mean, because it's very, very successful. It's very good for scheduling your affiliates. That strategy is really good. Generally, it's very good for your blog posts and any other services you have. So I can show you what I mean. So we're going to schedule this pin for an example, so you know. You can try with a new year, because you need to have a strategy, guys. You need to have a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, you cannot grow your business. And remember, it doesn't matter if you're just starting on Pinterest and you say, oh, well, I don't have many followers. No, everybody started from zero. So you have to be very, very patient. Everybody started from zero. Doesn't matter if you just started now, you will have followers in a couple of months. You just need to keep pinning. This is one strategy for organic followers, is to constantly pin pins to your boards, even 5 times a day, even 5 times a week. Now let's go here. Let's schedule this pin. Obviously, you can create boards with your YouTube, with your podcasts, with videos. You can be testimonials, because people are struggling, they don't know what to pin. Even if you're just starting, you don't need to stress. Okay, now what we can do is to just add it to tribes or to a smart loop. That's very good, actually. We'll talk about smart loop in another video. It's really good. It's really, really good. Help your monthly views a lot. Now, we can add it to the queue. However, we want to manage that pin. We don't want just to be queuing whatever to be queue any day. We put it on all these boards, as you see all the boards here. However, the first one is going to go out on the January 23rd. And then we have here that the minimum time between each pin is 1 day. So that's what we want. So one is going to go out on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. So it's going to be set it up like that. We choose that, and then we schedule it. And that is the way that is going to help really your pins to go viral, and you get a lot of pins and plenty of pins. And this is a strategy that you can follow when you can manage that way. You don't have to pin the same pins all the time to your boards, so you can actually manage one pin here, one pin there, and that is really going to help you, so people, they wouldn't get bored, so you can actually pin your old pins as well, refresh your pins, I would say. All right, now as you can see, the colors here are similar. I use similar colors to my pins, and I use always bright colors, and it's really helpful for you to increase your brand awareness using the same font, same colors, similar colors. Is going to help you increase your brand awareness, because you're growing your brand. It's not about growing a business, making a sale. We want you to grow a brand, and this is very important. So this is one of my Pinterest services, and I have two pins here. This is a carousel pin. Obviously, this one's very simple. You see, you can take this example. This is very simple. There is an image from a computer or something like that, and then it's a layer on the top, and that's very simple. So I have two different. So this is very simple. So you don't really need to be an expert. It's simple. And the other thing you need to remember, this is carousel. It's very popular, actually. Big brands doing carousel pins. The pixels, if you, for example, Pixels is a website with images, so you can get a lot of beautiful images for free. I mean, if you don't want to go for Pro from Canva, but you can find a lot of free images to use in general. So that's it, guys, so far. And don't forget, if you need any extra help with a pinning strategy, and don't forget to remember that you need to think that you're pinning for your audiences, and not because you like a pin, you pin it. Just, I have an ebook with a pinning strategy and a questionnaire that is giving you a little bit help to find your audiences and help you to create content for your audience. So you need to have a strategy what to pin on Pinterest. You need to pin for your audiences and not just things you like, or maybe you can follow people, the companies you like, but you need to think that when you pinning, think of your audiences. And you can download the Pinterest strategy book from our website. And please leave your comments below if you need any help. I will be very happy to help you. Email us and connect with me. You can join my Facebook Pinterest group, and you can promote also your profile and your pins with other members of the group. Have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your holidays, and let's have a fabulous years. I wish you all of you well and all the best.